Blessed morning, everyone. It's a rainy Monday morning. Morning! So, narito na po tayo sa school. Grabing ulan, but we can beat them all. With this kapote, kayang-kayang makapunta dito sa school. Amidst the heavy rain. Hello, Marianne! How's life? How's the rain? It's raining cats and dogs. Is it cats and dogs, Sheena? Sheena, is it raining cats and dogs or what?
Yeah, it's raining cats and dogs. Hook, line, and sinker.
So what's our menu for today? Something that is hot. I need a hot menu. Bulalo. I need bulalo. Bulalo with maize, with corn. So it's rainy day, it's raining cats and dogs and so this is certificate of appreciation and recognition for this is for the parents or the students. How about the students?
That's it, madam.
So, kailangan magtrabaho. Give the duty to our country and Thailand.
Ako lang parents naman niya na nag-ano. So nagkuha ka mga modules and everything.